Why are they running back and forth? This is so funny. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh wow, look how majestic that is. The horses up on the hill in the snow. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so not used to seeing all these trees down on the estate. You know, they have priorities. And, you know, the trees that are actually in the woods, that's not a priority. I mean, some of them, they've cut them down because they were leaning. Some you can see broke off. Oh, just devastating what it did here. And when I say here, I do mean the Biltmore Estate, but I mean all of this area, western North Carolina. Ooh, the flakes are getting bigger. It is 29 degrees and it is 3:08. Look, they're coming down the trail. How majestic is that? Oh, this is amazing. Why is my vehicle beeping? There's nobody in front of me. Here is my view. Come on, snow, come down more. I want to see more snow. This room is awesome. Okay, so we have a little bench seat with some drawers, a wonderful desk with a little drawer, and plenty of outlets. I am in love. Let's see. Oh, this does come down. I'm in love with this picture with the donkey and the sheep. And then Biltmore is known for its sunflowers. So, sunflower and a bee. And then TV is up here. And oh my gosh, my daughter Langley would love this rooster pillow. So king size bed, reading lights on both sides. Okay. And do we have an out? Yes, so right here is the outlet and the USB plug, and then you can you know, put the wires through here, lay your phone right here. Looks like a mighty fine reading chair. And this, I mean, very like simplistic, just, you know, little greenery flower wallpaper. And we have all sorts of chargers. Check that out. And then this is so wonderful. So you get some Biltmore wine, of course. Now, granted, I am not a wine drinker. So this will stay right there just like it is. Coffee maker, 2 coffee mugs. And we have some lullaby tea, black tea, different coffees, sweeteners. And here it should be this side, the refrigerator. Yes, it is a smart fridge. Nice. Wow. Okay. And then we do have a hair dryer. These are not deep, it's just a shelf, but it's plenty of shelves. Now that one's a little deeper, but plenty of shelves. And even more up here. Look, a washcloth holder. Now what I'm seeing is missing, and I always bring my own anyway, is a magnified makeup mirror. They do not have one here, but that is okay. Hi, look, I appropriately wore Biltmore sweatshirt. And, oh, let's turn those on. And we, of course, we have outlets here. Ooh, and this is their brand of toiletries. You recognize that name, don't you? Oh, I bet it smells so good, lavender and peppermint. Ooh. And then we have a pocket door. I mean a barn style door. Look at that. Even a hook here. Love that. And safe extra blanket. Of course, we have a ironing board and iron, top-notch hangers, luggage rack, and get a load of this. What hotel gives you an umbrella? Not gives you, but has an umbrella in the room? Like, wow. But I mean, we are connected right to Antler Hill Village, so you know, you want to walk to the shops or somewhere to eat, you have an umbrella. All right. Now this is, look at this. Look how deep the seat is. That is wonderful. Look at that. This is very, very nice. And there we go. Look at that. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. All the little details. I love this room. Should I say it? Should I say Hidden Mickey? So let's try the reading chair. Not bad. Not bad at all. But maybe if I put pillows, extra pillows right here, I could lean up against here and read while, oh no, now it's snowing less. Shucks. Well, I guess this is a good time to go get the suitcase because I did not bring that in yet. Elevator area, very nice and quiet. Those look cozy. Look at the winterscape, all the winter decoration. Wow. The business area. Look how pretty that is. Oh, the old barn plans, the dairy barn plans. Oh, that is so pretty. I gotta get a picture of that. So this is Edith on a tractor. microwave in the rooms, but there's one right outside. There's the elevators and there's the lobby, so it's convenient. They have a little kitchen with pastries in the morning. I love the farm look of the inn. I mean the hotel. This is great. There's another view. Oh, I didn't realize this was here. So this is like outside of the library terrace, actually at the house. Cool. All right, I'm just curious. I don't know if the shops are going to be open. It's after 4. And since the house actually closed at 1 today, in January and February, they have very limited hours that the house is open. So I don't know that the gift shops are going to be open this late, even though we're not near the house. We're totally across the property. But just curious. Gonna see. OMG! Oh, look at the hollies and the snow on them. Oh my gosh. I gotta get a picture. All the lights are starting to come on. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. They're almost twinkle lights. This is so weird. I am so used to like people being everywhere. Oh my gosh, what awesome pictures I'm gonna be able to get with no people in the way, and the snow is falling, and oh, this is great. Well, shucks. It is closed. I figure it would be. They still have music playing in the background though. Oh, let's go look at Julie. So it is coming down harder, as you can see. I do not know why. I did not wear a hat. My hat is in the room. Oh, this is like art. Look at the frozen water. And then down the sides. Oh, wow. So this is Noodle's first snow. Lakeland just sent me this. I'd say he is a little excited. Okay, I'm reading. I moved the chair over to the bed. This is the perfect height. This little shelf here is the perfect height for a nightstand. And I am really, really loving the fact that they have, like, I didn't have to take my phone charger out of my suitcase. This right here, that is awesome. And yes, that bed is very comfy. Their key cards are actually wood. Isn't that insane? It's so cool. Like, it feels so wild to hold. $26 degrees. Oh, is that snow? Is that supposed to be snowing? Oh no, it's not snow. It's just the wind blowing the snow around. Anyway, 26 degrees this morning. Oh, I did not want to get out of that nice, comfy bed. And speaking of bed, I have never been in a bed with the sheets so tucked, so tight. Like, I am serious. They were tucked so tight. Well, shucks. This area was expecting more snow. I was wanting more snow. Now that, you know, I don't have kids in school, snow doesn't really affect me that much. So, yeah, I was hoping to see more. But it was still, like, beautiful last night, that's for sure. If you want just a quiet, relaxing getaway, oh my gosh, just come here. Like, I didn't hear a soul last night. And it was just quiet and peaceful. Ugh, just thoroughly enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, the wild turkeys are running down the road. Oh, come on, keep running. Darn it, that was hilarious. Oh my gosh. Okay, now they're running across the road. Why are they running? This is so cool. Look, they're running. Look at my rearview mirror. I mean, my side mirror. Oh my gosh, guys, there is just so much to see and do at Biltmore. Like, you gotta come at least once. Oh my gosh, I gotta take a picture. Darn it, I was getting my phone out to take a picture. They took off running again. Like, where are they going? What do I not know? Oh my gosh, there's a whole bunch over here. There's a whole convention. Why are they running back and forth? This is so funny. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Currently, they have a Chihuly exhibit in this building, the Amherst building. A King Tut exhibit is coming at the end of March. I am so excited. Well, thanks so much for taking a look at the inside of the Biltmore Village Hotel. I do have a playlist of Biltmore videos if you are interested. Subscribe and hit the bell notification button because you never know where we're gonna take you next.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to we're on the run today.